And now back again, Cecil TV Weekly, April the 20th. We have Jennifer Goldbach from the sponsorship department of the St. Mary Ann's Garden Market. You're the sponsorship chair, correct?
Well, but I have a great committee. Yeah.
That's
Yes.
Committee work is good, especially if
Yes.
people work together, and I'm sure you do.
Yes. Very true. Very true.
I like the hat.
Well, you know, I wore it today to remind everybody if you're out gardening in the sun, it's important to have some protection on.
Yep, yep.
Plus, it adds some fun, right?
I got mine.
Yeah, you're ready to go.
I was almost out in the garden today.
Okay. In 2 weeks, you can be.
Yeah. Why is that?
Well, because St. Mary Ann's Garden Market, we've been going on for over 26 years, and it comes back to town May 1st and 2nd, which is a Friday and Saturday, 8:30 to 4:30, 8:30 to 6 the first day, 8:30 to 4 the second. And in the past, we've brought over 6,000 people to town, which some people might say, oh my gosh, but the merchants love it and the shops love it because it brings business.
Yes.
And so we're really thrilled because I think so many times people just think that the garden market is just a place to go get some great plants and crafts and whatnot, and then the church gets the money. And what people don't understand is how much this church does for our community, which is where these funds go to. They have a food pantry, and in fact, I just got some information recently that 138 days last year, the food pantry was open. We served 1,250 families, 3,400 individuals, and we prepared and distributed over 7,000 bags of food.
Wow.
Yeah, it's a lot of food. And we also get some federal funding, some federal food literally shipped in, but it takes a lot of volunteers and a lot of work from the church. We also support the recovery needs in our community. We're dedicated to reducing addiction and supporting those in our community who need this help. The second Sunday of every month, we have a Faith and Recovery 12-step Eucharistic service. Afterwards, that everybody's invited to. Afterwards, then there's a light meal, fellowship, and whatnot.
Right, and that's in the parish house.
Yeah. And it's just a great way to support our people in our community, our neighbors who need our help. And the other benefits in the community, you might know about this. There's a musical program offered at the North Elk Coffee House, and that directly benefits the homeless in our community.
Yes.
Yeah.
In fact.
Yeah.
Cecil TV director Doug Donnelly usually does the sound for that, but he asked me to do it last weekend. It's all a great duo, the Honey Badgers.
Yes. Yeah,
really
they are great.
Nice harmonies and nice interplay of the instruments and great songs, original tunes.
Yeah, they're great. And then, of course, the church does need some support. Can you believe it? This church, St. Mary Ann's Episcopal, will be celebrating their 320th anniversary. And one of the very oldest Episcopal churches in the country. The building that stands here was built in 1743. So you can imagine the ongoing upkeep for such a historic, beautiful building. But if you come to the garden market, you'll be able to go in and see it, maybe get a tour, at least see where they ring the bell and that sort of thing.
Right.
The neat thing about it this year is that Kate Blomquist is head of the vendor committee, and she's done an amazing job getting more vendors. We have over 85 vendors coming this year, and that's at least 24 more than last year. So she's done a great job at getting more vendors. But there's going to be so many more plants available. I know Mother Nature has not been kind lately with allowing you to get your plants in the ground, but I think after this week, it's going to be safe.
I think it's going to be good after.
Yeah. And she also said, make sure you mention that 2 new vendors we have are ice cream and coffee.
Ice cream and coffee. I'd like to put a little ice cream in my coffee.
I don't blame you. Yeah. So it's a great time. And it is a rain or shine event. Parking sometimes is a challenge, but now, as you know, the town has some new public parking over off of West Street. So please come on down May 1st and May 2nd.
I know I'll be there, and I can still remember those hot sausages they had.
Yeah, and hot dogs galore. Yeah.
Yep. And all kinds of good plants. And there's some educational type booths, too.
Yes, absolutely. And nonprofit booths, educational booths, crafts, things for kids to do, and just a lot of really good vendors, a lot of good fellowship and community work.
No cover charge at any time.
No, it's free. Come on in. Well, and there's no cover charge because we have such great sponsors.
Yeah.
We've really increased our sponsors this year, and so many people in this community have gone above and beyond to support this.
Excellent.
Yeah.
Don't miss it, folks.
That's right.
Thank you.
Thank you.